Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making the German country ball. First, start off with a circle. Then, second, make a line. I used to run thing. Oh no. Alright. So add lines. Wait, I think I clicked the wrong thing for it. Alright. We are making good progress of making the Germany country ball. Sorry, I messed it up. Alright. Click this, then yellow, and back to black. Oh no, that messed up. Nope, and we messed up. So well, at least I still can fix it. Like move this, just move this. Nope, missed it. Alright, now what we need is the color white and this. Alright, now let's make the shadow. Alright, so start the shadow from here, make this shorter a bit. Alright, so we just gotta do this, click this one. Wait, this here, black, a small dot. Just gonna there, and now fix. No, we gotta fix that. There. Making sure it's completely clean. Yep, it's perfect. Alright, if you want to add another country ball, then I recommend Indonesia because it is easy to draw. And in fact, I am from Indonesia. And you can also add in another. You can also add in Indonesia, also if you want. Alright. We are making good progress on Indonesia here. Alright, now what you'll need is this and red. There, now you have Indonesia and Germany, but also don't forget the shadow for Indonesia. Alright, now let's make the shadow of Indonesia. Alright, so we just gonna click this, and now you're done. Now you have that. Alright, so that's how you draw it. And now just save it, and then just save it. Also, if you want to do something, you can add in a text, like a text, where is it? Alright, then hello. There. Alright, that's how you make it. And also this, and also if you want to save it, you just click File, then Save As. You can choose any name you want. I am gonna choose Alright, now we have saved it, and bye bye, and see you next time.